subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video. Guys, this is the routine. If this is the first time you come across my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please turn on the post notification bell so when I upload a content you'll be the first to receive the content. So right now I'm oxing out some coconut out of the shell. So I just put the shell of the coconut in the towel, and the reason being, if the knife slip out through the coconut, the towel will protect my hand from the knife don't really cut me. So today I'm doing some coconut rice. I'm gonna do some curry pig foot. I'm gonna steam some callaloo as well. So that's what I'm gonna look about today for all of my viewers and subscribers. Machete here, the machete. So I'm just going through, taking all the excess here off of them. So I'm gonna just cut them because they're already slit already. So guys, I'm gonna add some salt into the water of the callaloo, and the reason being of adding the salt in the water with the callaloo, if there's any crawling insect after adding the salt into the water, then the crawling insect will come straight up to the top and try to crawl out of the callaloo. So I'm just letting the callaloo soak into some salt water, and here I have some scallion, some onion, thyme, ginger, sweet pepper, garlic. And then here I have the pig foot. So I'm just basically cleaning out the pig foot with a newborn shave. So I'm taking off the excess here off of the pig foot. I'm just going through, taking off the excess here. Because I purchased them from my local market, so I just asked the person just to slit them just a little. So we just done cut up the pig foot where I was showing you in the previous part where I was cleaning it. So I'm gonna use some cracked pimento seed. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of pork season, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season, and I'm gonna add little garlic powder, like 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm gonna add some all-purpose season as well. I'm gonna add some seasoned salt, not too much because the seasoned salt, remember the name of it, it's seasoned salt. So just a little bit. So I am going to cut up the onion. Add the onion. I'm not gonna cut them up finer than that because they are gonna cook out. So I'm adding some scallion. So the scallion, you know, they are gonna cook out because pig foot, it can take a little while to cook. It can take up to 1 hour, depends on how old the pig is. So for spice, I'm gonna use some green pepper, I'm gonna use some garlic. So this is 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna use some sweet pepper. I'm going to use some thyme. I'm going to shred some ginger. So I'm shredding the ginger, guys. So I'm gonna mix in all of the season, and then I'm gonna let this meat marinate for 1 hour. So as usual, when I'm seasoning the meat, I do season and taste the season to ensure that the meat is not too salt or the meat is not too fresh. But when the meat is fresh, it is good because you can always add season to it. But when the meat is too salt, then it's too salt. Guys, I am cutting up the callaloo. And I'm going to use onion, tomato, cucumber, sweet pepper, scallion and thyme with a little bit of butter to steam the callaloo. So I'm just finished cutting up the callaloo, guys. So I'm going to add some scallion. So I'm just preparing everything one time, because when I go to the fire, I'm just going to be doing everything right there. I'm not going to, so I'm going to add a tomato. So I'm adding a tomato. Also an onion. And I'm going to shred the cucumber. So I'm going to use the cucumber in the vegetable. I'm adding some oil into the pot. Just a little bit. I'm adding some chopped up garlic. The vegetable, which is the callaloo, I'm using half stick of butter. Just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm gonna cover it. This callaloo, add just a little bit of water in it, just to keep the vegetable moist. So I'm using some better pot curry. I'm gonna burn the curry 1, 2 spoons. I'm burning the curry. Then I'm going to add in the meat. Woo! So I'm just leveling the meat in the pot and just letting them cook each time and check it won't produce its own liquid. I'm checking on the callaloo, and the callaloo done steam. Normally I make my callaloo steam for 5 to 6 minutes, because I'm a person, I don't like to cook out my vegetable too much. So this callaloo is perfect for me. So I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to put on the corn. Guys, I'm checking on the corn, and I take out the pig foot and put it inside the house, because I was cooking it for a while now, roughly 1 hour, but then it is too tough, so I'm running it through the pressure cooker for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I am going to season up the pot For the coconut rice, I'm using quarter stick of butter, some sweet pepper, onion, thyme, and I'm using a small tomato. I'm gonna add some salt. So I'm gonna taste the water just to ensure that it is not too salt. And the corn done, and it's coming up. So I'm gonna make the coconut cook some more with the vegetable that's in it before actually adding the rice. I am washing a scotch bonnet pepper, green pepper, adding to the rice pot. And the reason for me adding the green pepper is to add flavor to the rice. So the pepper, you're not gonna cut the pepper, just add the green pepper in it. The pig foot is cooked. So I'm gonna use some carrots, sweet pepper, Irish potato, onion in a heat. Guys, I'm going to add in the rice in the pot. And you know, say it is coconut rice today. Guys, whenever time I'm cooking my rice, I ensure like the water that is over the rice is like ½ inches, because you don't really need a lot of water over the rice. Because when the water dry down, then I normally use a clean piece of plastic bag or foil paper just to wrap the pot so the rice can steam. I am checking on the pot, and the Irish potato and the carrot already cooked. So the last step now is to add in the bean. So it's curry pig foot with beans. So guys, this is what it is looking like. So the pot is too small, so that is the reason why you're seeing it looking like that, because the pot is too small. We are at the end of the video, and this is my curry pig foot with beans and boiled corn, and also my coconut rice with some steamed callaloo and tomato. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, so when I upload the latest videos, you will be the first to receive the videos.